So I'll just keep it like looking like a mess. Okay, we're going for the messy hair vibes today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I look a bit yellow, then it's because I'm testing out a new foundation. I believe it has indeed oxidized, but we shall ignore that. I am going to be doing my what I got for Christmas video, and I don't give a damn that I've done this later than everyone. I mean, it's my own channel, I can do things at whatever pace I want to do, right? Surely. I don't know, who cares? But anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got for Christmas this year. It is actually the 1st of January when I'm filming this. The main reason I want to film this is because I want to put all of this stuff away, and I just had it hanging around because I knew I was going to film this video, and I really just want to film it so that I can put it all away. So I've got it all next to me, and I'm really just going to pull it out in no particular order at all. May as well start with the things that are right next to me. So my dad kindly bought me two different types of shower gel. I've got the Imperial Leather's Cherry Bakewell and the Imperial Leather Marshmallow, and he actually got me 3 of each of these, so basically I got enough shower gel to last me a while. And I told him that I really wanted these ones, because I mean, like, who doesn't want a Cherry Bakewell and a bloody marshmallow scented shower gel? I love sweet things personally. I've used the Cherry Bakewell one, but I've not used the marshmallow one yet. I did actually use it to wash my hands, but I've not used it as like a proper shower gel. But this one smells amazing. This one smells amazing. I think I'll use this marshmallow one tonight because I'm gonna have a shower tonight. But yeah, happy with these. Okay, so the next thing is also from my dad, and I decided to ask for the Style Pro. What the hell is this thing called? Is it just called Style Pro? It's from that guy that won The Apprentice a few years ago. It's basically like a makeup brush cleaner, and it looks a huge ass mess because I've just been fiddling with it. I've not actually like put this together properly and used it yet because, not gonna lie, I find it kind of confusing. But you basically get like this giant ball, and there's just all these mechanisms that I'm not really sure how to use. And I think you get like this cleanser and stuff, and there's like a motor and it spins it, and dries it apparently. Again, I've yet to try this, but I'm really excited. I have heard that it's pretty good, so excited. You do get 2 of their like cleanser things, the little sachets, but obviously if you want to use this long term, you're gonna have to get more cleanser than that. So that's the one thing that kind of annoys me about this, is that you kind of have to buy more of their cleanser in order to actually regularly use it. Hopefully this isn't too elaborate to put together, because I kind of want to use it pretty soon, because my makeup brushes, they're a mess. I've not cleaned them in God knows how long. I don't even want to know how long it's been since I cleaned them, because it's a long time and I'm actually kind of embarrassed about it. The next thing that I got is an electric toothbrush, and this is from a brand called Fairy Will, and my mum got me this because I did indeed ask for one, and this is what it looks like. I used it once, but I have a feeling that I didn't use it properly, but I think I'll try it out again tonight. Yeah, it's just an electric toothbrush, and it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So that's what you get inside, and it's all falling out, of course. So you've got the actual toothbrush, you've got your little charging thing, and you've got loads of like replaceable heads as well. I just wanted an electric toothbrush because I've heard that they're a lot better for your teeth than just standard ones, but I don't know how true that is. But I've only used it once, and I don't know if I used it properly, but I will probably start using this more regularly as of today. But the next thing is from my mum, and this is from a brand called Deo, and it's called the Revolutionary Hair Applicants Organizer. And basically it's like a little thing where you store like your straighteners, your hair dryers, your like styling tools. I'll get it out. So it looks like this. So obviously you've got a bigger one and a smaller one, and I believe you're supposed to kind of like screw it into like a wall or some kind of surface. So I'm gonna have to get my dad on that because I cannot do those kind of things. But this basically goes with another present that I've got, which I'll mention next once I put this all away. And the next thing I got was probably the most expensive and probably the best gift that I got, and this was a joint present from my sister and my mum, and it is in fact a GHD Platinum Styler gift set. And yeah, it's a pair of GHDs, and they're actually kind of over there, and I don't know, maybe I'll get them in a sec, I'm not sure, but I mean, we all know what GHDs look like. They're ones that have like the purple floral print on, and it comes with this little bag to store them in, and oddly enough, it also comes with 2 nail varnishes from the brand OPI, which I've heard is a pretty good brand. You get like a really maroony dark, is this purple or red? I don't know, but it's a pretty colour. I think I'm going to use this after I have a shower tonight. And you've also got this kind of like glimmery white. I'm not sure if this is like a top coat or if it's like an actual just colour. But yeah, you get 2 nail varnishes with it as well. So this is what they look like. They're actually quite small, which I think is good because I guess it'd be easy to travel with. But yeah, I've used these a few times and I really like them. They're really good straighteners, and they also work for curling your hair. I did use them in my Boxing Day get ready with me video. I curled it, but they didn't turn out the best, but I've used it more since then. I've kind of got the hang of it now, and you can get some quite nice curls with these. Yeah, I really love the pattern on them as well, and I really love how you like press a button and it makes a noise, then literally 10 seconds later it makes another noise to show that it's done. So it literally takes 10 seconds to heat up, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm very grateful to receive these. This is such an amazing gift to get, and obviously this is gonna last me for freaking ever. The next thing I got is a little mirror. I'm really sad because I literally just right now broke the goddamn thing, and I'm actually quite upset with this because I was a really big fan of this mirror. It's called the Mirror on my travels, and I just think it's really cool because obviously you can use it as like a holding mirror, but then it also, this bit folds so you can kind of like prop it up. So like, I don't know if you're like on a freaking train or something doing your makeup, which I mean, I doubt that's something I'm gonna do anytime soon, but like this is just, I think, really good for like traveling. I'm actually so devastated that I broke this because I really like this. Mum got me that one, and I wish I was more careful with things because I'm actually very sad that this is broken. I also got this cute little thing from my mum that just says Cat Hotel. I'm gonna hang this up somewhere in my room, and obviously I love cats, so of course I would get this. Mum got me a few skincare bits. She got me the Be Pure Micellar Water, which is, you know, the Superdrug one, and yeah, just a big bottle of micellar water, which obviously I use like micellar waters and cleansers pretty much almost every day. So yes, this is great. I can add this to my collection. And I also got the Be Pure Sensitive Micellar Cleansing Wipes, I guess, to go with that. I personally, for my skincare, I like to actually use just a wipe, and then I literally like drench my wipe in micellar water or cleanser or whatever. So these are like perfect things for me because that is probably what I would do with these 2 products. Got this lovely pair of earrings as well, and I think that they're super pretty. I've not put them in yet, but I will some point soon. They are so cute. So I got this thing called the Erase Your Face Reusable Makeup Removing Cloth, and it is one of those kind of things that you're supposed to wear and then get your makeup off. I used this once and it didn't work very well, but I think it's my own fault because on the things it does say that you need to machine wash it once before you use. So I think I'm basically just going to wash this again and then we'll try it again and see if it works. But yeah, when I use this, I mean, it did kind of get my makeup off, but it just left this weird black fluffy stuff on my face, which I wasn't a big fan of, but I mean, it did kind of get my makeup off. But yeah, I'm going to wash this and try this out again because I do quite like the idea of it. I also got a 2-pack of the Bee Blending Sponges, which I have used before, and I know that I like these sponges. This is the one that I had before. Look at the difference, it's actually ridiculous. But yes, more sponges is always great for me because I pretty much use sponges every day when I'm doing my makeup. I got this really cute little box of chocolates from a brand called Choc on Choc, and that's what they look like. And I've had these a while and I've somehow managed to avoid eating them, which is miraculous. Yeah, they look super yummy. They've got like shoes and handbags on them. So I got this really cute pair of socks that have got little foxes on them, and they're really long. I don't know how and when I would wear these, but I do think that they are super duper cute. So next I got 2 Fenty Beauty products, and the first one is the Universal Lip Illuminizer Gloss Bomb, and I've been wearing this like almost every day since I've got it. Like I just wear it before I go to work, I put it on and then I just keep updating it throughout the day. And it's basically like a kind of pinky toned gloss. And normally I'm not a fan of glosses, but for some reason I feel like I'm coming around to them now because I have been using this one a lot. It just looks super nice and like a nice sheen on the lips, and it's not too much of a harsh colour. It kind of just is the colour of your lips really, and obviously you can layer this on the top of things as well. So I really like this little gloss bomb thing. And I also got another Fenty Beauty product. This is the Hyper Glitz lipstick in the shade Starlit. And that's what it looks like. It's a nice pinky colour, but it doesn't come out too opaque, so it's not like a really intense garish colour. Any makeup products that I've mentioned in this video I will have used in my Boxing Day Get Ready With Me, which will go up shortly after this video. My mum also got me this really cute like box. It says Harry's Potions on it, and I really like this. I think I'm going to put my some of my eyeshadow palettes in it. This is just super cool. I really like things like this. I don't know what it is about things like this I just really love. The next thing was from my Secret Santa at work. And this is from Bayliss and Harding, and it comes with a body butter and a shower gel. They're both wild blackberry and apple flavoured. Just give you a closer look. And I love shower gels, so I can't wait to use that. And then I don't use body butters too often, but I will give this one a try because I've smelt them and they smell amazing. So thank you to whoever got me this at work. My mum decided to pick me up this book called An Abundance of Catherines by John Green. I'm assuming the only reason she got me this is because my name is technically Catherine. My name's Katie, but my full name is Catherine, so I'm assuming that's probably the reason she picked it up. And I hadn't actually really heard about this book before, but I might give it a read. Go with like the kind of cleansing stuff that my mum got me. She also got me some cotton wool pads from Superdrug and some cotton wool round pads. So I've got lots of options for skincare. My mum got me this personalised calendar. As you can see, it's me, my sister and my mum on the cover. And me and my sister absolutely hate it when our mum tries to take photos of us when we're out in public. So this calendar is basically revenge for us not taking nice photos, because there's some very cringy ones in here. Let me show you some of my personal favourites. This lovely flattering photo of myself. Isn't that such a nice photo? Some of the photos actually are quite nice, but some of them are just not good. This is another photo of myself that I think is quite lovely, and this was actually years ago because I remember those clothes. Yes, the actual layout of this calendar I really like. I've already kind of filled in January with my work and my holiday and my payday and stuff like that. So I actually quite like the layout of these. I feel like it's got enough room to like kind of write what you need to write in it. So I'm going to hang this up somewhere because I do really like organisational things like calendars and stuff. So this is nice, and then I get my lovely face to look at for all of January. I got a makeup brush. This is the bronzing brush from B, which I've been using like every day for my bronzer. It works really well for bronzer, it applies it really naturally. Another product which I've literally been using every day since I got it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I've wanted this for ages. I'm so happy that I've got it. It's actually stunning, it's beautiful, they're so pigmented. I love the like kind of holographic theme. They're just absolutely stunning. This is such an amazing present to receive. I love it so much. So the next thing I got from my mum is basically it's like a DVD that's got a load of like home videos from when me and my sister were young on it. And I thought this was such an amazing idea. I've not actually watched it yet. I'm saving it, but I really can't wait to watch this. I know that is from when I went to the Isle of Wight when I was younger, and I feel like there's something else in there as well, but I'm not entirely sure what it is. But yes, I'm really excited to watch this. This is such a good present idea, I think. She also got one for my dad and my sister as well. My dad also got me, this is a fun present, it's a Toshiba USB 3.0 hard drive. I think it's got like, yeah, it's got 1 terabyte on there. And I don't know about you, but if you've got a MacBook, they don't have very good storage on them at all. It's actually terrible. I did not realise when I got it that they had such bad storage. So, because I was like going through like my computer with my dad because I thought there was like something wrong with why it was always telling me my disk was full and stuff. I thought maybe I was doing something wrong. But no, we looked at it and it was like, we realised that actually the storage was just so bad. So my dad was like, yeah, I should get you a hard drive for Christmas. So I was like, okay, that sounds like a fun present. But nonetheless, I have actually used it and backed up my files with it. So I do think something like this is pretty handy, especially because I'm always like editing videos and stuff. And it kind of annoys me that I have to delete everything after I've like edited it because obviously if my iMovie just gets so clogged up because the disk gets full all the time. So this is a pretty handy thing to get. I believe that is everything. I don't know if I've missed anything. I feel like I may have missed something, probably. But yeah, that is all the things I got for Christmas, and I am so happy and grateful for everything I've received. obviously, like, all of these presents are just things that I really enjoy using. People that got me these obviously know me pretty well, and yes, I'm great. I'm feeling pretty happy about it all. In terms of what I got for myself, I would say I bought The Sims 4 Cats and Dogs for myself. Brought that like I think I brought that on Christmas Day or Boxing Day, I can't remember actually, but it was on sale, it was like £10 off. So that was my little present for myself. Yeah, I had a very nice Christmas this year. It was so good. I got so many nice things, and I think the people who I bought presents for seem to enjoy them. I actually much prefer like giving presents to other people than receiving them, which I know sounds like so cliche, everybody says that, don't they? You're like, yeah, really? Do you? But honestly, I do. So yeah, now it's a new year, so let's see what that's gonna bring. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. My throat is dying from all this talking and I need a drink, so goodbye.